March 2026 is absolutely cooked for open source security, and it's been a rough month if you write code. Last week was about how litellm, telnyx, these popular Python packages were being compromised by the same attacker named TeamPCP. How attackers got into their publishing pipeline, swapped out the legitimate code for malware, and whoever installed these libraries got their credentials stolen, SSH keys, cloud access, everything. So this was not over yet, and Axios just got hit. Yeah, one of the most popular JavaScript libraries used among developers. So how did it happen? Someone just walked in with stolen maintainers account, one of the maintainer who maintains Axios, and bypassed CI/CD entirely, and just published a malicious version. No GitHub tag, no provenance, nothing. Just a fake dependency injected into the package.json, and the moment you run npm install, you quietly connect to the attacker's server. So npm have already removed those malicious version after this attack, which is 1.14.1 and 0.30.4. So it's now moved to stable version. But here's the thing: if you have installed previously this malicious version, you can still get affected. So check your log file and quickly move to or upgrade to stable version so you not be affected. Another method would be to help yourself from being compromised from such attacks is adding minimum release age to your project. For example, if you are using pnpm, so it has a minimum release age in configurations which you can add. So it will delay the installation of newly published versions, which will eventually help you to reduce the risk of being compromised. And nowadays, all JavaScript package managers does come with this kind of feature. So do check out and add this to your project. So, apart from all these, what happens when you try to install any package without knowing that it would be malicious or not? Because you don't know. For example, if you're trying to use npmi axios or pnpmi axios, you don't know that this particular version might be malicious or not. So you need some guardrail that can block immediately when you're trying to install any version which is being malicious. So here comes pmg. pmg is a tool which work during the installation process only. So if it a package is being malicious, flagged as malicious, it will block immediately when you're trying to install that package in your terminal. So let's see with example. Nowadays, supply chain attacks are not rare; they're happening every week. So have some guardrail in place, add some minimum configurations, so you can be safe and reduce the risk of being compromised. So stay safe and take care.